Hello, I'm Preeti from class 10th B. Today I'm going to recite a poem called World Environment Day. When simple water is quenching all my thirst, it would never be my second love, but first. There is oxygen from plants in every breath I take, so I can never hate environment even by mistake. Food comes from nature, which you post online. But have you ever thanked nature before you dine? You are in environment and environment is in you. If you pollute the air and water, it will also pollute you. All gadgets are made by elements of environment. Now, what else would you want to start loving environment? Crops grow in soil with the help of rain from sky. Nature gives freely without asking to whom, when, and why. This world will be a beautiful place in every season if you love and care for environment without any reason. Environment is more precious than diamond and gold. Take care of it like your beloved without being told.
My name is Stuti Pandey and I am from class 9th B. And today I am here to recite a poem on the topic the Environmental Day. The sun is shining and the sky is blue. The birds are flying and the breeze is cool. The Mother Nature is trying her best to do nothing but the beautiful mess. But what do we do? Make her a mess? Let's make her the best by polluting less and less and preserving her green trail for our kids and the rest. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ria. Happy World Environment Day. When you see litter in the streets and the air smells of pollution, when you see like it's all piling up, remember there is a solution. There's something each of us can do to keep the rivers clean, to keep fresh the air we breathe and keep the forests green. Help clean a beach or recycle bottles and cans. Learn about the problems we face and help others understand. It doesn't have to be a lot if we each just do our share. So take time out on Earth Day to show the earth you care. Thank you.
Greetings everyone, this is Suchi and I'm going to speak about World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th June in order to save environmental issues and protect our environment for a better future. Many environmentalists, professors, scientists and politicians take active part in these celebrations and bring out new ideas to protect and save the environment. Despite of the fact that we are more than 7 billion by now, we have only one planet to live and survive. We have limited place, limited food and limited shelters. If we keep on using natural resources like we do today, a day will come when our grandchildren shall forced to leave their homes and stay with hunger prevailing in the society. So it's better to consume whether food or fuel with care and responsibility. Stop the wastage, of anything. Use according to need, not greed. Don't be greedy. It's time to be greeny. What we are doing to the forest of the world is but a mirror reflection of what we are doing to ourselves for one another. Let's nurture the nature so that we can have a better future. Only when the last tree has been died, the last river has been poisoned and the last fish has been caught, will we realize that we cannot eat money? When you save water, it saves you back. When you refuse to reuse, it's the earth you abuse. Save the earth.
Hello, my name is Ashpreet Kaur and I'm from class 10th D. I'm here to share my views on World Environment Day. Earth is a gift from God to the people who live there, but they have forgotten. Man are cutting down the trees, throwing rubbish into the river and even open burning. Man-made factories releases harmful gases. Friends, get cautioned, awake and arise. Stop playing with the nature. If nature starts playing with us, unwarranted and untimely deaths will rise. My caution, let not the nature suffer. Save nature and nature will save our generations. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Hello, I am Madhya Batra of 10D. I will be sharing my views on World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. The main purpose of celebrating this day is to spread awareness about the environment. Our environment is in danger. The rising level of pollutants is destroying normal environmental conditions. Clean and pure environment is most important for our survival. It is being polluted by many things like industrial waste, fertilizers, etc., which cause global warming, melting of glaciers, etc. The level of drinking water is also lowering down. So, to save the earth, many events are organized on this day to create awareness between people on issues causing environmental degradation. People plant trees, clean garbage from public places, etc. Rallies and campaigns are also organized to educate people so that one day our environment can be pollution free. Save the environment in present for a better future. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Fluttering of tulips beneath the rose-gold sky, dancing of trees on the windy rhymes. Melody of nature says it all, from grey dusk to beautiful dawn. My heart sings along. Oh, nature, your fascinating sight. The delight and aroma you bring to life. Somewhere nostalgia hits deep within. What nature bestows us with. What have we given? My heart skips a beat, seeing melancholy in rains and how droughts her fields. With a hope in my heart, I sing along. Oh, nature, you'll be replenished again. Let's all come together on this Environment Day and oath to shield nature from vast expanses of sky to oceanic bay. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Megha. Environment is our basic need. We should not waste it for our greed. God has blessed us with green environment. If we lose our blessings, we lose our healthy life. Thank you.